Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Monisi and happy 2024. I can't believe a year has gone by. It's crazy to think how fast time is flying by lately. So for this week's video, I thought that I would share with you guys some of my favorite DIYs, makeovers, furniture flips of 2023. So let's get into it. So this is my first favorite makeover of 2023. This is a side table that my mom owned, and she spray painted it white and didn't really want it anymore. So I decided to redo it and make it for my husband's office. And so I stripped off all of the white paint, and then I stained the top, painted the legs, and added some gold accents because his office is going to be basically these colors, and he's going to be using this in his office in our new home. And this is actually the project that made me fall in love with this furniture flipping hobby, so this is very special to me. The second makeover is this storage basket that I found in my aunt's house, and I really wanted to make it pretty for her, so this is what I'll be showing you next. Some of you still ask about Tigger, and he is still alive and kicking at 18 years old, so he's an old boy, but he's healthy and loving his life. Next up, we have my brother's office makeover. This was the Dark Academia Victorian makeover, and everybody really liked this makeover. I think it has over 10,000 views on YouTube, and I loved this. I was very skeptical of this color that my brother picked out, but it's just so him, very masculine, dark, Victorian. He just loves this style, and I'm really excited to do my husband's office makeover also because he has a very similar taste. So stay tuned for that makeover once we move into the house. I'm so excited to show you that. I also did a few furniture flips for this office, so I will link that in the links above the screen. Last but definitely not least is this beautiful dresser transformation. This thing had 3 layers of paint on it, so it was a labor of love to scrape off all of the paint, but I love the way this turned out in the end. I used all Dixie Belle products, and I'm a huge fan of Dixie Belle. I would buy all their products if I had money. So Dixie Belle, if you watch this, please sponsor one of my videos or send me paint. I will gladly rave about your products all day, every day. So this was actually gifted to my parents, and I didn't plan on keeping this dresser, but my mom told me that I can actually keep it for our house, which was so sweet of her. And so this will be going in our bedroom, so it matches a bed set that we purchased from Ashley Furniture. This year really taught me, I've always struggled with confidence in my talents, I guess. I always tend to compare myself to other people who have the same talents and interests as me. I always think I'm not good enough, and that's always been kind of a struggle I've had since I was younger. So I'm trying to work on that, and YouTube has kind of helped me to see that I do have talent and I can use it, and it's not a big deal. Like, everybody has different levels of expertise, and you learn as you go. You understand that everybody begins somewhere, and you just get better and better, and you mess up and you get better, and that's life. So that's something that I learned last year. If that's something that you resonate with, comment down below. Let me know if there's something that you want to start doing, and go for it. Just look at some tutorials online. It never hurts to try something new. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little recap of 2023, and there is a lot in store for 2024. Stay tuned for all that I have planned for this house that we're moving into. I have so much in store, and we're trying to be budget friendly, so if that's something that you're interested in, also just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more little DIYs and makeovers on a budget.